Welcome to MyKidReports. In this video, I'll guide you through our amazing website builder feature, designed to help childcare centers like yours create professional and engaging websites effortlessly. Let's dive in and see how it works step by step. Did you know you can create your childcare website with the power of AI? That's right. Our AI-driven website builder generates a beautiful, fully functional website tailored to your needs automatically. All you need to do is provide a few details, and the system takes care of the rest. Once the AI creates your website, you can further personalize it using our powerful editing tools. Let me show you how. Here's an example of a homepage created by the AI. Notice how it captures the essence of your childcare center. To make changes, simply click on Edit or Preview to view your design in real time. Our Blocks feature takes customization to the next level. Choose from beautifully designed templates for testimonials, services, or promotions. These pre-designed blocks save time and ensure your website looks professional and polished. Once your blocks are in place, easily update the content. Click on the text to edit titles and descriptions, replace images, and even add buttons to guide visitors to pages like About Us or Contact Us. After completing your customizations, click Publish to make your website live. Your childcare website is now ready to attract new families and showcase your amazing services. Every website created on MyKidReports is automatically assigned a micro website address. This is a subdomain provided by us, and you can use it to instantly share your website with parents and visitors. But what if you want to use your own domain, like www.yourchildcarecenter.com? Let me walk you through the steps. First, click the Connect Your Website Address button on the top right corner. This opens up options for linking your custom domain. From here, follow the instructions to point your domain's DNS to MyKidReports. Don't worry, our step-by-step guide makes it simple for anyone to set up. For a custom domain, you'll need to update your domain settings with the DNS details provided in the instructions. Once done, click Verify to complete the process. Once verified, your website is live on your custom domain. Parents and visitors can now access your website with ease. If at any point you need help, our support team is just a click away. If you're familiar with the technical aspects of SEO, you can customize these settings to enhance your website's performance. We'll explore how to use the powerful features in the website builder: meta tag suggestions, head section, and open graph tag suggestions. We have the meta tag suggestions. This section helps optimize your website or search engines. Start by entering a clear and descriptive title for your web page. This title will appear in search engine results as the first line. Next, create a unique permalink for your page. This acts as the URL and is crucial for easy navigation. Add keywords that relate to your page's content. These keywords help your site rank better in search results. Write a short description for your page. This text will appear in search results, giving visitors a preview of your content. Next, let's look at the head section. This is where you can add custom code for advanced website customization. For example, you can add JavaScript, custom meta tags, or tracking codes here. After adding your code, simply click Save to apply the changes. Underneath the head section, you can customize the visibility of your header and footer on this page. Use these toggles to enable or disable them. The Open Graph Tag Suggestions section is designed to make your content stand out on social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter. Enter a title that will appear when your page is shared. Upload an eye-catching image. The recommended size is 1200 by 628 pixels. Write a short and engaging description to accompany your shared content. Once done, click Save to finalize. Lastly, in the Other Settings section, you can control how search engines interact with your page. For example, you can choose whether to index the page, archive it, or display snippets in search results. With these features, you can optimize your website for search engines, customize its functionality, and make it shine on social media. MyKidReports makes website creation effortless with the power of AI and customizable tools. In just a few clicks, you can have a professional, stunning website that represents your childcare center. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.